According to a report by Business Insider, a U.S. jet operating in Syria destroyed a Russian-made T-72 battle tank near Tabiyeh, Syria on Saturday. U.S. Marine Corps Major Adrian J.T. Rankine-Galloway said the tank had been maneuvering with coordinated indirect fire on a defensive position occupied by Syrian Democratic Forces and coalition advisors. Rankine-Galloway went on to say that the SDF's position was within effective range of the hostile weapons systems. The SDF has been trained, equipped, and supported by U.S. forces in Syria's civil war for years, while Russia has provided similar assistance to pro-regime forces. Rankine-Galloway also said that no U.S. or Syrian forces had been killed or hurt in the tank attack, and that the Pentagon reported only one SDF wounded following the attack on February 7th.